Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Myka B. So for this video, I'm gonna share with you guys one of my secrets on how to achieve white teeth. And so a newest brand or a newest whitening teeth brand sent me this cutie little kit. Ta-da! Ayan. So I got it from HOLO Whitening. Thank you guys for sending this over. So, for this video, I'm gonna show you kung paano siya ginagamit and kung effective ba siya or whatsoever. It's been a while bago pa ulit ako makagamit na bagong product. So, ngayon na lang ulit ako gagamit after a few months. Ayan. So, as you all know, I had veneers. Ayan. Pero dito lang sa upper part. Ayan, as you can see. Nakikita niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, I had veneers from Swiss Dental PH. I'm gonna put the link of their social media pages down below. So, if you're interested to, or if you're interested na magpa-veneers, or you can actually go to their page and check it out. So now, our main agenda, that's why I want to try this product, is gusto kong mapuputi yung sa lower part. Ayan. Ito. Right? So, ngayon, open na natin siya. We're gonna do an unboxing. So, don't go away. So, now, tanggalin lang natin yung wrap. And then, ito yung open. Ta-da-da-da!
A few inches later.
Ta-da! Yan siya. So, inside the box is the how to use. Then, we have here like what they call this, the ingredients and additional information about the product. What else? And the HOLO results paper. There. Alright. So here, you can see this case. Then I think inside is yung mga gel niya. So it has, or it comes with 4 gels. Okay, so let's open this one. Isa-isahin natin siya. So, this is the mouthpiece. Ayan. Then, it comes with different adapters then if you want, if you are using a Type-C, they have, then may lightning cable din siya. So, here, ito rin yung USB adapter. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang long cable. And this is the mouthpiece. Ayan, yung itsura niya. So, make sure na sterile lang siya because ito yung ilalagay niyo sa mga bibig ninyo. Ayan. And then, let's check the gel. Then, the gel, this is how it looks like. Yung gel niya. So, i-open nyo lang siya. Then, I think, i-ano nyo lang siya. Ikot nyo lang siya para magkaroon na siya ng gel. This is the time na ilagay nyo siya all over your teeth. Before you use the HOLO Whitening, kailangan nakapag-brush na kayo ng inyong mga teeth. And, after that, kailangan nyo i-apply yung gel all over your teeth. For this one, para magamit nyo siya, you can plug it on your smartphone. So, you can really use it anytime, anywhere. There's also other ways, like you have to plug it dito sa USB. And then, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa any adapters. Parang nag-charge lang din ng phone. Ayan. Oops. Wait lang natin. Ayan. And then, nandito yung power button niya. Here. Ayan. So, you just press it. And there you go. You can use it. Ayan. So, after we apply the gel on our teeth, we can wait for 16 minutes. Ayan. Then, after 16 minutes, i-rinse nyo lang siya with water. And then, after that, you can take na with the shade guide. Ayan. Ito pala yung tawag nila, shade guide. Ayan. Para kita nyo yung results. But with my case, I'll focus on the lower part dahil nga naka-veneers ang lola ninyo. So, there. So, let's try it. Okay. So, ngayon, itatry na natin siya. So, nakapag-brush na ako ng teeth. And, first, we're gonna open this one. Yung gel. So, iti-twist lang natin siya para magkaroon siya ng gel. Ano ba? Ganun parang wala pa. Ayaw pala gumana. Ayun! Ikot pa natin yung ikot. Oh, ayan. Okay. So, nalagay lang natin siya sa ang ito nga kang and then after that, we're gonna put the mouthpiece. Okay guys, ganito ko magsalita. Hindi natin yung mouthpiece.
Inches later.
So, tapos na akong magmumog. And, anyway, the whole experience, I think, I suggest na gawin nyo siya before going to bed. Dahil, 16 minutes, sobrang tagal niya. So, totoo lang. So, we're gonna check na the shade board kung meron pang improvement. So, let's see. Here. Anong shade ako? Number. So again, we will focus on the lower part, okay? I think number 7. Ayan. So first try ko pa lang, nandito na siya sa shade number 7. So, well, the whole experience, it's really fun. If wala naman kayong gagawin for the whole 16 minutes, kundi mag-phone lang or something, why not do it, diba? I will try this for the next 6 days, and let's see kung meron pa siyang pagbabago. Alright, so, with that, watch out for my IG stories. I will update you there. It's at Myka Isabel. Here, at Myka Isabel. MYKAISABEL. Alright, so, again, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. So, see you on my next video.